Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by 2x. Next, we have y and first the derivative of y. This one we have similar this one. This one that is about linear differential equations. So in this one, we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. That is about this one, including the positive side in here. So this one next to y. So that is for integrating factor. And I will put this one go in here. So this one that is about s squared over number 4. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So in this one, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, that is about y e to the power of s squared over number 4. So we need to focus on this one. So the first one, so we can put about like this. So in this one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put u equals to s over number 2. Later that, we can do first derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 2, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for u. The s we change for this one. So the integration of this one, the square root of b over number 2. And we have imaginary error function. And I will put about c. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. This one that is about this one. Now let's go to the next one. So this one we can put like this. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put u equals to s over number 2 because we have s, so I will put number 2 go to the left. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change for u. S that is about this one. The s that is about this one. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. Now I will put u and u square. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put t equals to u square. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one that is about t, this one that is about t, u du we change for this one. So this is about exponential integral. And I will put about c. About t that is about u square. About u that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one that is about this one. The integration of this one that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.